We just met with our builder. We are super excited about moving on with our home renovations. The reason that we're starting this video out here is because the first thing that our builder is gonna do is rip out this porch. So that porch is gonna be gone, finito, bye-bye. Over here, this is where the addition is gonna go. So when they rip out the front porch, they're also going to be digging out the basement over here, which is what they're gonna be doing this all at the same time. We have to get the air conditioner removed, moved back, and then if you see back here, can you see back here? Can we see back here, Mimi? Yes, no, yes?
Yes.
Okay. We do have our storage shed back here. We're gonna have to get that moved again. It's already been moved once, but we're gonna move it again. And this is where the basement is gonna be dug out. So when they dig out for the basement, that's gonna be, I think it's gonna be a total of 1,500 square feet between the basement and the main floor that we're adding. So that's where we're gonna get started. Bear with us. We'll keep you updated with our weekly videos.